Let's try a harder surface and then more pinpoint. Some WD-40. So I'm thinking we will need to remove the paint, but I don't know. I definitely don't want to over restore it. I want it to stay kind of grimy looking, like it's really had some history behind it, seen some thousands of miles, because I imagine this was probably on a train, not something that was stationary. And I don't know. And yes, the red paint or the primer is in the bottom and then white over it. So the white might be original. Ah, we can do that. I can sand away the lettering. That'll work. An actual sandpaper. You know, it makes me wonder, I see a lot of people, like, they'll put black enamel paint over something and then they'll highlight the individual characters with white paint. It looks kind of gaudy to me. Why don't they just get like a little Dremel with a wire wheel on it and clean it up and make them silvery? That could actually be pretty cool. Especially like a wear pattern like this. I like that. That's a lot better. You can actually see it now. I guess this is an example of a time where having the sound of a train in the background won't ruin the video. You know, that might be it. Because it's not supposed to look like it's like fancy and prettied up. It's supposed to look accidentally prettied up. Like it just happened to be all beautiful because of the wear and tear of decades of use. We should blowtorch it. What would that do? I wonder if my fuel's bad. Oh yeah, it just needs to clean out a little bit is all. That's quite warm. I wonder how low we can go. Oh. And that's it. That looks like a catchy thumbnail. Good enough for me. So now the only question is where to hang it up in the workshop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya! I am thinking maybe behind the lathe. That'd be kind of cool. Or on a toolbox of some sort in the future. That'd be cool also.